Hello YouTube, for dieters, 4 fall foods to satisfy your sweet cravings and help you lose weight. Eating these low-calorie fall foods will keep you feeling full for longer and make it easier to cut back on sweets. Many fresh produce, including most fruits and vegetables, are seasonal, and with the onset of cold weather they are gradually disappearing from supermarket shelves and from our refrigerators. But despite this, autumn is not a reason to abandon the principles of a healthy diet and start uncontrollably eating flour and sweets. Nutrition experts and Chef Tom Bennett talked about the best seasonal foods for a balanced diet. Beetroot is available in supermarkets all year round, but beetroot season starts in October. It is a great addition to a weight loss diet as it is high in fiber and low in calories. Due to their high fiber content, they are great for stimulating the growth of good bacteria in the gut, which is essential for a healthy digestive system, so adding beets to a healthy diet can help you lose weight. Beets are also rich in folic acid, which helps your cells grow and function. 1 cup of beets contains 3.8 grams of fiber and only 59 calories. Beets are a great addition to any salad, especially when paired with feta or goat cheese. And this combination can work wonders for weight loss, as the fatty acids in goat cheese are metabolized faster than in cow cheese, and you feel full more quickly. A recent study found that choosing goat cheese over cow cheese helps people feel less hungry and eat less overall, which is an important factor in weight loss. Figs. The fig season begins in September. This fruit perfectly satisfies sweet cravings, and also provides people with a number of essential vitamins and minerals. Figs are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, iron and more, and are also a great source of calcium and potassium, which improve bone density. They are quite low in calories and high in fiber, making them very satisfying. Including high-fiber foods like figs in a balanced diet can help people stay full between meals and avoid overeating, which can help promote weight loss. Kale. Another healthy food for weight loss. This cabbage is full of beneficial properties that can help people successfully shed those extra pounds. Superfood, which is in season just in September, contains very few calories, but it has several properties that help important bodily functions. It is an excellent antioxidant that contains calcium, vitamin C, K and iron. The high amount of beta-carotene and vitamin A in kale contributes to the necessary growth of all body tissues, which means that kale consumption can contribute to the health of your skin and hair. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is traditionally associated with autumn. It also helps people lose weight and get rid of belly fat naturally. Nutritionally, pumpkin is very rich in vitamins and free of cholesterol, sodium and fat, which is why experts recommend adding it to weight loss diets. Pumpkin can be used for both savory and sweet dishes. It's the perfect addition to an autumn pie or the perfect addition to a hearty soup on chilly days. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.